Right now, while most people are busy scrolling, working, and living their normal lives, a massive shift in global wealth has already begun. And the scary part, most people don't even realize they're already on the losing side. This isn't about stocks. This isn't about crypto. This isn't even about starting a business. This is about something much bigger. This is about control over intelligence itself. The reason you don't see this shift is because it's not happening in front of you. It's happening behind the scenes. Inside data centers, inside AI labs, inside systems you don't even understand yet. And by the time it becomes obvious, it will already be too late for most people to catch up. Rules have changed. For most of human history, wealth followed a simple rule: work harder, earn more. Then it evolved: invest more, earn more. But now there's a new rule: build systems and let them earn for you. And AI is the most powerful system ever created. Most people think AI is just a tool, something to write emails, generate images, or automate small tasks. But that's not what AI really is. AI is not a tool. It's infrastructure. It's a system that can think, scale, and produce at a level no human ever could. If you look back at history, every major wealth shift followed the same pattern. Industrial revolution, factory owners got rich. Internet revolution, platform owners got rich. And now, the AI revolution is creating a completely new class of winners. And here's where most people get it wrong. The real winners are not influencers. They're not even most startups. The real winners are the ones controlling the chips, the data, the compute power, and the infrastructure. Because in the AI era, whoever controls intelligence controls wealth. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. The majority of people are on the losing side of this shift, not because they're lazy, but because they're unaware. They're preparing for jobs that are slowly disappearing. They're learning skills that are becoming irrelevant. And they're competing against people who are using AI to multiply their output. Imagine two people, same skills, same time, same opportunities. One uses AI like a tool. The other uses AI like a system. After a few months, one is still struggling, and the other looks unstoppable. That's not luck, that's leverage. Right now, trillions of dollars are moving into AI. Governments, corporations, billionaires, they are not guessing, they are positioning, because they understand something most people don't. AI is not just a trend, it's the foundation of the next economy. But here's the opportunity. This shift is still early, which means there's still time. Those who understand AI today will control leverage tomorrow. In the next 10 years, we won't just see new millionaires. We will see entire empires built on AI systems. And the gap between those who understand AI and those who don't will be bigger than anything we've seen before. The question isn't whether AI will change wealth. It already is. The real question is, which side of the shift will you be on?